So in this video we're going to be learning how to create a listing of your data, how to filter your data, how to sort your data, and then output your data as a PDF or RTF file. All of this is covered in chapter 4 of your textbook. So let's start with, let's just go into SAS. I'm going to pick a data set from the SAS help library, which is where we have all these data sets that come with SAS Studio already. So let's say, for example, baseball, right? We already saw this data set before, baseball. Let's say that you don't want to have the whole data set. That you just want to create a list of, or a new table. We call that a list of, or a listing with only certain variables, and let's say not the 322 observations. You may want to just see the first 10 players, right? So let's do that. So how do we go about this? Well, you go here to tasks and utilities, right? So you're gonna be working with the tasks. Okay, data. You have different tasks here that you can do to your data. You can sort, rank, partition your data, filter it, transpose it, many things, right? So we're gonna do a listing, okay, a list. So you click on list data. Now first you need to choose what data set you want to use. Okay, so again we'll go to SAS help, which is where we have all the data sets that come in with SAS. Baseball data set, which is the one that we wanted to list. Now list variables. So let's say that I'm only interested in the name, the name, team, and I don't know, the number of times at bat and the number of home runs for this for this people. So if I click that, that means that will create a list with only these 4 variables, nothing else. Okay, so we kind of like omit everything else. We will just have these 4 variables in our new or in our list that we're creating, in the new table that we're creating. Okay, so now here in options you can click or unclick display row numbers. This will basically not show the row numbers if you unclick it. This, if you click this, will use the column labels as column headings. You can click or unclick that. Now, let's say that you don't want all the rows in your list. Let's say you only want the first 20 rows. You just do that. Okay? Now once we're done, you can see when you're doing all of this, some code is being written for you here. Later on we'll learn how to write code in SAS, but right now we're just doing point and click. So if you run it, there you go. You see a list of the first 20 players, and it only includes the 4 columns that you were interested in: the player's name, the team, times at bat, and the home runs. You see? So now you have a this sub table from the original table, right? Now you can also, let's say that you want to download and print this. You can go here, click on that. That is a PDF. It will result in a PDF file containing the list that we created, right? And that's it. Now you can print it. You also have the choice of downloading a Word document, an RTF file, or you say HTML file with the same list. But I'll stick to PDF.